Welcome to Pockets of Protein. Today we're going to be making a delicious steak dinner. The first thing we'll do is prepare our white potatoes. I take some medium-sized potatoes and cut those in halves. Cut all your potatoes, you'll transfer them to a bowl. And then I'm going to cover them with a paper towel and warm them in the microwave. This is a shortcut that I use when I want to soften my potatoes without having to boil them. The next step now is to prepare our steak. So I'll add in some olive oil and the seasonings, and I'll take my time to rub in the seasoning, make sure every part of the steak is covered. Now we'll add oil to a pan and heat that, and when it's ready you'll add in the steaks, and of course, as usual, cook to your liking. The next step is to use a new pan, oil that down, and once it's hot you're gonna add in Brussels sprouts and the potatoes that you warmed in the microwave. You'll add in garlic, salt, and black pepper and just saute that in the pan until the potatoes start to get browned and the Brussels sprouts have become softened. The last step is to add in some butter and make sure that melts down, and you mix everything through so everything is coated. Now I'm going to take a shallot and use a knife to chop that into small pieces. Once I've chopped the shallots to the size that I like, I'm gonna use one of the pans that I just finished using, oil that, and once it's ready, add in the chopped shallots. Cook your shallots until they start to get browned and a bit caramelized, and then you're going to add in some chicken broth concentrate to the mix. From there, you're gonna add in cornstarch, a little bit of water, and then the last ingredient will be red cooking wine. From there, you'll mix everything together, and then you'll plate your dish. This is easily an under 30-minute steak dinner recipe, so let me know in the comments if you try this out. Like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.